Welcome back to Jeepney School. I'm Ate Cherry, your ride to Tagalog proficiency. In our previous lesson, we learned how to express our dislikes using the pseudo-verb ayaw. Today, we will explore another important pseudo-verb, which is kailangan, which translates to must or need. Kailangan is used to indicate that something is necessary or required. Before creating sentences, let's practice pronouncing the word. Kailangan, kailangan, kailangan. Madaling. Keep in mind that native speakers might say the word kailangan as kailangan. To create sentences using kailangan, our sentence pattern is kailangan ko ng then the object that you need. Example, kailangan ko ng shampoo. Or, kailangan ko ng pera. Pera for money. Now, if you need to refer to a person, replace ng with si. Example, kailangan ko si Anna. Or, kailangan ko si Alex. Now, in answering questions using kailangan, the question might look like this. Ano ang kailangan mo? Or, what do you need? We can answer by saying, kailangan ko ng, then whatever it is that you need. Example, kailangan ko ng water. Or, kailangan ko ng gatas. Gatas for milk. Now, for questions about people, the question might look like this. Sino ang kailangan mo? Who do you need? To answer, we can say, kailangan ko si Maria. Or, kailangan ko si Joseph. Now let's practice. I will ask you what you need 3 times. I'll be blue, you'll be red. Ano ang kailangan mo? Ano ang kailangan mo? Ano ang kailangan mo? Great job! Now let's switch roles. You'll be blue, I will be red. Kailangan ko ng tubig. Kailangan ko ng food. Kailangan ko ng shampoo. Great job! Magaling! Now let's practice answering the question, sino ang kailangan mo or who do you need? I will ask you twice and you can answer by using 2 fictional names. I will be blue, you will be red. Sino ang kailangan mo? Sino ang kailangan mo? Great job! Now let's switch roles. You'll be blue, I will be red. Kailangan ko si Cassandra. Kailangan ko si nanay or mom. Great job! You are awesome! Now for your homework, I want you to create 5 sentences using the pseudo-verb kailangan and write your answer on the comment section. And don't forget to find a speaking partner to practice with. Maraming salamat! See you next time!